I think it will make their life extremely easier. I mean, I'm doing a lot of programs and projects, implementing. We are agnostic on our way. It doesn't matter what kind of solution. And it doesn't matter what kind of solution you're taking, it all has gaps, particularly for the end user. And I think that agentic AI, and it doesn't matter, it takes the whole end-to-end from sourcing to payment, the whole end-to-end process. I think it will make their life much easier. It will guide them much stronger. It gives them clear, it will really enable them to concentrate really on their buying business instead of just thinking, analyzing, checking, doing a lot of admin stuff. And I think it will be more enjoyable to do buying in general. For example, it doesn't matter whether you take, if we take demands, the analysis of what demands, how can you cluster it, how can you really find out, how can we collaborate things, get them together to get a better business case, to control spend better, regarding reporting also, and also give guidance just within the process, I think will help a lot. If you've got agentic AI giving you guidance along the whole process, and it doesn't matter whether it's now demand, with supplier management as well. We've got a lot of issues with supplier management, the right guidance, regional, global, how do we structure it? Is there the right preferred supplier given? Things like that they get more guidance. And at the moment, for example, I've got with a very, very international and big company a project. They struggle a lot. They have to do so many checks on before they send out their purchase order, to do so many checks that it really fits and so on. And all this controlling admin activities. Nobody likes it, but they have to do it, and it consumes a lot of effort. And this costs money, and nobody wants to spend money on that. I think everybody is now so excited and thinks, oh my God, here we just plug it in and everything, we don't have to do anything and we're automatically there. It will take time and it needs a lot of learning, but I think step by step. And what I think also approach-wise is important, that you really concentrate at the very beginning of every project, that you are doing an analysis. What are the right use cases for you? That you're not just going for everything, for the whole process from the start, that you are really picking, you clarify the use cases, and then out of that you are able to really define, and then concentrate on that, get the learning going, get the rules set up, that it's working. I think very strongly, because we are very much agnostic. We support all the procurement solutions which are at the moment in the market. They are, particularly the big players, quite slow on AI to really evolve it and so on. So I think it's important to be as dynamic as ORO are. I think we have a lot of knowledge about big size companies. And I think here we are already in strong exchange and having a look where we can really together, us, with that we have a very broad customer set, and also that we know in general procurement processes very well. I think that this fits very nicely together. I think it has a little bit also to do with, we have to get now customers that we quickly do analysis. I mean, most of them have already a procurement solution, some don't. They are catching up on it, but that we are really speeding up on finding the right use cases and putting them already in live, that people very quickly see what benefit this has. Because at the moment it's just a big cloud, everybody is talking about it, but when you talk to customers, it's quite obvious they don't have a real understanding what it means. They work maybe on the production side on it, but what it really means for procurement, the enablement to make it easier and definitely user-friendlier with less admin work, I think this we can push very strongly. I think particularly everything around supplier management, because that's a real pain. Also because you get the knots together, you've got the topic regarding risk, you've got the topic of collaboration, also demands, but then really finding the right suppliers. I mean, even though everybody has the feeling Corona is completely over, but our lessons learned, how agile at the moment the world, political-wise and so on is, I think this will definitely help to react much faster.